What term refers to a mixture that does not have a uniform composition and in which the individual substances remain distinct? Of course, the correct answer is D, heterogeneous mixture. And what's a heterogeneous mixture? It's one where the components are not evenly distributed and can be visually distinguished from each other. Sols, emulsions, foams, and aerosols are all types of The correct answer is A, because when the particle size is in between 1 nanometer to 1 micrometer, it's a colloid. Which of the following is a suspension? The correct answer is B, muddy water, because the particle size is more than 1 micrometer. What is the jerky random movement of particles in a liquid colloid due to particle collisions? The correct answer is C, Brownian motion. Two liquids that separate shortly after being mixed are said to be The correct answer is D, immiscible. What expresses concentration in terms of the number of moles of solute per liter of solution? The correct answer is B, molarity. Which of these has units of mole per kilogram? The correct answer is C, molality. What expresses concentration as a ratio of the number of moles of solute to the total number of moles of solute and solvent? The correct answer is D, mole fraction. What is the molarity of a solution that contains 9.1 gram of HCl in 325 ml of solution, and the molar mass of HCl is 36.4 gram per mole? The correct answer is B, because in order to get the molarity, you have to divide the number of moles of solute over the volume of solution. And here, the number of moles of HCl is the mass divided by the molar mass. And also, we converted the 325 milli into liter. What term refers generally to the process of solvent particles surrounding solute particles to form a solution? The process is called solvation. Which of these would be most likely to decrease the rate of solvation? The correct answer is C, by lowering the temperature, because lowering the temperature decreases the kinetic energy and slows down the rate of solvation. How is a supersaturated solution made? The answer is A. What does Henry's law state? The correct answer is A. At a given temperature, the solubility of a gas in a liquid is directly proportional to pressure. When a non-volatile solute is added to a solvent, vapor pressure The correct answer is A, decreases, because the solute particles occupy space at the surface, reducing the number of solvent molecules that can escape into the vapor phase. And this is a collective property known as vapor pressure lowering. For non-electrolytes, boiling point elevation and freezing point depression are both The correct answer is C. The freezing point of a solution is always what? The freezing point of the pure solvent. The correct answer is B, lower than, based on the collective properties. What process does this figure illustrate? Of course, it illustrates osmosis. And what's osmosis? It's the movement of water from the side with low solute concentration to the side with high solute concentration through a semi-permeable membrane.